In this guide, we'll show you how to add and install mods in SKLauncher. If you find this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Mods can greatly enhance your gameplay experience. First, you'll need to download a mod. Open your web browser and go to curseforge.curseforge.com. Select Minecraft and browse through the available mods. Choose one you like, then click on the Files tab. It's recommended to download the latest compatible version. Make sure to note the version and mod loader it requires. Once the mod is downloaded, open SKLauncher. Click the ++ icon next to the Installations Manager. Select the correct version, for example, NeoForge with version the 20th of January 2010. Enable Use Separate Folder and click Save. Now, select that installation and press Play. Once the game launches, you can close it, reopen SKLauncher, find your custom installation, and click Open Installation Directory. Navigate to the Mods folder, then drag and drop your downloaded mod file into it. Ensure all mods match the same version and loader. Finally, return to SKLauncher and press Play again. Your mod should now be successfully installed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like.